You don't feel lost because you're incapable of anything. You feel lost because you've been moving without direction for so long now. And let's take your normal day, for example. You wake up, you go on your phone, you scroll, you go to your shit ass job, you wait for a break, you scroll again, and deep down, like, you're not even living, you're just existing. And not you just existing like an NPC in GTA. You're not building towards anything. Like, not anything good at least. You're frying your brain with dopamine. You can't do it. You're just making things worse for yourself. Because every time, every day that passes and your screen time goes up, your dopamine receptors are like breaking. They're getting weaker. Like, you can't even survive. You can't even take a shit without being on your phone, without scrolling on your phone. And you need to do something about it, because you're right now, you're just existing, you're not living. You're busy, you're distracted, you're just a spectator in life. You're not the main character. You're just a spectator. And you're not choosing where you want to go. You're just living life without a clear path. You're just going with the flow, and not with the good flow, because you can't decide where you end up. And we people, we are smart creatures. We can end up wherever we want. If someone's done it before, you can do it too. If someone hasn't done it before, you can do it too. It's all about the mindset, it's all about how you think. And you're always waiting to feel clear before taking action. You're waiting for a perfect opportunity. You want your first thing to be perfect. But clarity, it comes from movement. It does not come from thinking. You get clear on your goals, your path, after you start moving, not before you even started. You just need to go, and throw yourself into it. Because myself, I've been lost too. I'm overthinking, comparing myself to other people who are more successful than me, other people who weren't as successful as me. I was just comparing myself to everyone. I was unsure of what to do, but things started to make sense for me once I picked a direction. And for me, it was sales. I invested in myself. I took a massive risk. It was, I had $200 left in my account after investing into myself, and I had so many bills, driving lessons to pay for. But I took risk. I picked a direction, and I started moving, and actually made my first bits of money 2 weeks in. And after, it just went up. And you just need to move. It doesn't need to be perfect, because no one is perfect when they start something new. You just need to move, and the imperfection will correct itself once you get more clarity on how to do your thing. Because you don't find direction by thinking, you build it by doing. You find your path on the way, but you need to start the path to find the ending, to find out what happens next. You learn by doing. You do things, you adjust and learn as you go. But before you do that, you need to go. Do you understand? And feeling lost, it's not a permanent state. It's a sign you need action, and not more waiting. Because you feel lost, because you're scrolling all day. You are on your phone for 12 hours per day. You can't even eat a meal without checking your phone. You need to be present, and you don't need a perfect plan to start. You just need to start moving in a direction and let clarity catch up with you.